I have spent my life bearing witness to the human spirit in the quietest corners of the world, but I see a different kind of quiet today, a silence behind a screen. Our young people are navigating a world of digital noise, a constant pressure to perform. It's a world of filters that can hide their own inherent dignity, even from themselves. The human thread that connects us all can begin to feel frayed. But at David Suzuki Secondary School, a team of young leaders refuses to accept that. They are building a powerful art-to-action bridge. It begins with a shared story, the play, The Day the Internet Died, acting as a mirror, allowing an entire room of grade 7 students to see their own struggles without judgment. It's the spark. It opens the heart. And then with that open heart, they are invited to act. In hands-on S.T.E.A.M workshops, they begin the vital work of creating safe spaces for connectedness. They put down the screens and pick up the tools of creation, building tangible bridges of empathy and experiencing the simple, profound awe of unfiltered, face-to-face connection. The result isn't just a project, it's a student who feels truly seen, a community that feels more connected. It's a young person who leaves with a new way to care for themselves and for a friend. This is more than a one-day event. It is a stand for the authentic self. It is a reminder of the most profound truth I know, that the way we heal, the way we build a world where everyone belongs, is simply by helping each other.